Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Kumar. I am basically from Uttarakhand. I am a BTech student from GBPIET, Gobind Vallabh Pant Institute of Technology. I am currently doing BTech in EC branch, and I am searching for some platform which give me proper advice about IoT. So I searched this company on Google and I found out that there's a company like ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. So when I came here, the environment and the cleanness is so good, and the atmosphere also. Basically, I want to do a IoT program which teaches about how to connect any program, a proper project with the internet. So our mentor gave us very good advice and the fully furnished classes. At last, the ThinkNext is the ISO certified and national award winner company. In this course, IoT has many things like Arduino, Proteus. It actually, some of the projects are traffic lights and motor, Bluetooth modules, which is operated via various applications on the internet, RC motors and street smart dustbins and etc. At last, I want to say that this company provides you opportunity to have chance or to grab opportunity in different tech fields. So I suggest you to come visit in this place. ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited. Thank you.